The Minn Kota MKA-52 Maxxum Quick Release Brackets are designed for the swift and effortless detachment of your cable steer bow mount trolling motor. Crafted from extruded aluminum, this bracket system ensures a quiet and secure locking mechanism, thanks to its innovative side screw design. It is compatible with a range of shaft sizes including 52-inch, 60-inch, 62-inch, and 72-inch foot control motors, as well as 62-inch hand control motors. The solid, anodized aluminum construction paired with stainless steel mounting hardware guarantees durability and resistance to harsh marine conditions. This versatile bracket is compatible with popular trolling motor models like Ultrex, Fortrex, Maxxum, and Edge, making it a flexible choice for various setups. Johnson Outdoors has engineered the MKA-52 Maxxum to provide a reliable and efficient solution for anglers seeking easy motor management on their boats.